Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Barbara and this is my home sweet home. Today we're out by the pond and we're installing a new aeration kit for us, and I'm going to tell you why I genuinely get excited about this kind of behind the scenes pond upgrade. Because aeration isn't just about bubbles. It's biology. It's water chemistry. It's fish health. And it's one of the simplest ways to help a pond feel clear, stable, and alive. So let me set the scene. If you've ever stood next to a pond on a still day, no wind, no waterfall running, the surface looks calm like glass. That can be beautiful, but it also can be a little misleading because what's happening at the surface isn't always what's happening down below. Ponds naturally stratify. Warmer water tends to sit higher, cooler water sits lower, and over time, the deeper areas can become low oxygen zones, especially in summer heat or if you have fish, plants, and the normal life of a pond creating organic debris. Leaves fall in, fish eat, fish waste happens, algae comes and goes, and all of that is normal, but the pond needs help processing it. That's where aeration comes in, and this is the part that feels like marine biology to me. I love marine biology. So, a pond is basically a small ecosystem with a whole team of microscopic workers, beneficial bacteria doing the cleanup. They help break down muck and organic waste, and they support a healthier balance overall. But those beneficial bacteria need oxygen to do their jobs efficiently. So when you add steady aeration, you're not just adding air. You're supporting the natural cleanup crew that helps keep water clearer and healthier over time. Now, while Jim is installing this kit and we're watching him in the water, which he actually just really loves, what you're seeing is pretty straightforward. There's an outdoor compressor pump, tubing, and two submersible air stones. But what it really creates in this pond is the magic bottom diffused aeration. The air stones sit down in the water and release a constant stream of bubbles. And as those bubbles rise, they pull water upward with them. That movement helps circulate the pond, bringing lower water up and encouraging surface water to mix back down. It's gentle, but it's consistent, and consistency is what makes the difference in a pond. And let's talk about the fish for a second, because koi and fish are basically living indicators of your pond's health. When oxygen levels are strong and stable, fish tend to be more active. Their gills aren't working over time, and the whole pond just feels less stressed. In warmer weather, this matters even more because warmer water holds less dissolved oxygen. So if you've ever had those days where it's hot, the pond feels a little heavy, and you're watching your fish like a hawk, aeration is one of the smartest, supportive steps that you can take. This practical kit has two air stones, and I love that because it creates more coverage. Instead of one concentrated area of bubbles, you can place the stones to support their better circulation across the pond. And because the airflow is adjustable, you can control the bubble intensity. I'm a big fan of anything adjustable because ponds aren't one size fits all, right? These tubes are also extra long, which is awesome. You can either cut them to fit or you can really stretch them out. So, some days you want more movement, some days you want it gentler, especially depending on where your fish like to hang out, how your pond is shaped, and what else you're running alongside it. And since we're doing a real life install here, I'll tell you why we're adding this even though we already use aeration. Our pond is larger and we like layering support systems. Think of it like this. If you were caring for a home, you wouldn't say, well, I'll vacuum once, so I'm done forever. You build routines. You build systems, right? You support the environment you're responsible for. For us, adding another aeration source is another strengthening circulation and oxygenation so the pond can handle the normal ups and downs of weather, feeding, and seasonal changes. One thing people always ask about is the noise and energy use because nobody wants a loud machine humming away outside their house, right? This style of aerator is designed for quiet operation and it's meant to run continuously. It's one of those set it up and let it do its job pieces of equipment. And it's energy efficient, which matters if you're running it 24/7. Because pond life doesn't take days off. The goal is to support your steady system and not once in a while, but with consistency. Now here's another pond nerd detail I love. Aeration also supports gas exchange. Your pond water is constantly exchanging gases with the air, oxygen coming in and other gases venting out. When water is stagnant, that exchange is weaker. When you have movement, especially from the bottom, diffused bubbles, you're helping that process along. That's part of why aeration can be helpful year-round. In cooler months, some pond owners use aeration to help keep a small opening in the ice, which we do, and it vents gases. And depending on your climate, some people pair aeration with a de-icer, which we also have done in past years in the harsher winters because we're in Wisconsin and we get below zero temps. The point is, aeration isn't only a summer tool, it's an ecosystem tool. So now that we're finished up with our install and you get to enjoy the looks of our little fishies here, I want you to notice something that's easy to miss. This is one of those upgrades you don't always see immediately in a dramatic way. It's not like adding a new fountain where you instantly get a visual effect. Aeration is more like good nutrition. It's a supportive habit. Over time, it can help your pond feel clearer, smell fresher, and run more smoothly with less drama. And for me, that's the whole goal. Less troubleshooting, more enjoying the pond. So that's our little aeration story for today. Bubbles that do more than bubble. They support circulation, oxygen saturation, beneficial bacteria, and overall pond balance. And that's a win for water clarity and fish health. And a friendly reminder, guys, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating these really fun, educational, cozy, helpful reviews like this one. Thank you so much. Jim and I appreciate you so much. Happy ponding!